Working Women Queensland explains what to expect in an advice appointment.
Sorry.
May has been working in Australia for 2 years. Lately, she's unsure whether she's being paid correctly. Today, she's speaking with a lawyer to get some free help.
Hello.
Good morning, this is Alani calling from Working Women Queensland. Is that May there?
If something has gone wrong at your job and you want to talk to someone, we can help. We have lawyers and industrial officers who will listen and answer your questions.
Hi May, I'm calling because we have an advice appointment booked in with you today to discuss your employment matter. Is now still a good time for us to talk?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm doing a grocery shopping. I'm about to finish. So, yeah, it's fine.
Okay, usually we'd ask for you to be in a private place during the call so that you can speak freely. But if you feel comfortable talking and now's okay time for you, I'm happy to proceed.
Yes, I have my phone on my ear, so it's not on around the speaker, so that's fine.
If possible, it's good to speak to us from a private place so you can share freely.
And I understand, May, that your main language that you use is Kinyarwanda, and you told our intake worker the other day that you didn't want an interpreter for your advice appointment. Is that correct?
We can also arrange an interpreter to support you and to speak in the language that feels safest to you. We can call interpreters from other states and keep your details private. If an interpreter ever makes you upset, we will ask them to leave the call. So May, could you tell me a little bit about your job?
I am support worker.
Okay, and how long have you been working with your current employer for?
Since March last year.
Okay, can I ask why you think that you might have been underpaid?
Because I do night shift and I do weekends.
At the beginning of your appointment, we will ask you some questions about your work so that we can help you best. Speaking to us is private. We are not part of the government and we will never share your information without your permission.
What we're going to do now is we're going to look at your pay slips and we're going to compare them to your award to try and figure out if there's been an underpayment. May, are you familiar with what an award is?
No, actually I don't know.
That's okay. So an award is...
Our advisors want you to feel safe and comfortable during our call. If you need us to slow down or explain something again, just ask. You can ask as many questions as you need.
So, May, I've had a look at the award and it does look like there's been an underpayment. The fact that you've been being paid $15 an hour, even though you're working some late nights and some weekends, that to me is pretty concerning.
Okay, so what that means?
So what that means is that you've done the right thing by coming to us to get some more information and that you're going to need to do...
We'll explain your options to you so that you can choose what happens next. Choosing to do nothing is also okay.
The next step after that would be to write a letter of demand to your employer.
Yeah.
And a letter of demand is a...
You are welcome to take notes. The advisor can also send you information after your appointment.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
That's okay. And look, I know we've talked about a lot today, May, and your next steps are looking like you've got to calculate the amount that you're owed and from there to have some conversations with your employer. Do you have any other questions for me about what we've discussed so far?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
At the moment, I can't think of any.
You're more than welcome to call back our service, but you can also put some questions to me in an email if you have them, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Alani.
Not a problem at all. Thank you so much, May. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks, bye.
Bye for now. Bye, May.
We can talk Monday to Friday at a time that suits you. We look forward to helping you.